Hello everybody, my name is Michael. I will show you how you can put a safety line on the new GoPro 8. As you can see, GoPro have not made a spot on the camera to put a safety line on. So I think that you can put it on underneath the folding fingers, which is screwed with 4 small screws, and you shall use a T5 to screw it out, all 4 screws. Like that. And then I use a lubed rope, a very thin rope, which I have taken from the surf mount, and I will put it under the folding fingers between the screws and screw it back on. So here we got the safety line on, and then I put the foot on, then it is ready to be mounted on whatever you want. And if you want to secure it on a safety mount, you just put the safety line through the hole and around the camera like this, and then it is attached to the safety mount. That was all for me now. I hope you can use my little tip. Bye bye.